How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged bathroom sink. Let's see what we find.
Hello? Anybody here? Jackie? Come.
You stay in, kitty. Right here.
Oh,
Holy
we knocked
What are you
it.
doing in here?
We knocked it how many times?
I was sleeping. I told you guys to come tomorrow. You didn't come.
Pilot didn't tell us because he
Well,
called.
I told him, so I don't
You
know
see,
what you're doing
one
in my
second.
unit
One second.
when nobody answered. I don't know who authorized
Okay,
you
one
to
second.
open the door.
One second, okay. I will call.
It's not my problem that he didn't articulate the information
If
properly.
you
I
not
said I had to go
report
to
it
work and I
office.
was gonna be gone.
No problem. You will report it office. Office. We entered for unauthorized. Okay. I will confirm it with the pilot. Because pilot. I asked you apartment 416. She said tomorrow. But you called today for 5 minutes. Now she working night duty.
Lovely. So we go to the unit. I was told by one super that he checked it out, everything, and he couldn't clear it. I get the other super up here to let me in, and the tenant starts freaking out, saying we shouldn't be in her unit, even though she has a problem. I'm at the point where I don't mess around. I just leave. It's not worth my time and getting a headache over something like that. So, till next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.